You ready?
No. Do the countdown.
Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Uh-oh.
Where is it? Heads up. Keep your eyes on it. Okay, it's falling really fast. Really fast. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh!
Live.
Oh! Oh no!
Payload. This is.
Oh, it's intact.
Thank
Yes.
God we can rebuild.
It smells really good. Ah, was that sulfur?
It was a new.
Oh shoot! Hold on, that's actually in there. Look at this. Huh? Look how far in the ground this is.
You missed a little bit.
We missiled the ground.
It was like.
This is. I got this on video this time. That's intact.
though. So,
Is that broken?
There's something still over there.
Oh,
Got it.
guys, the altimeter section.
What happened?
The parachute thing didn't do.
didn't go high enough
Oh,
though.
the parachute didn't release at all.
No.
Well, it did once it hit the ground.
Look.
Oh, it
tight.
never. It didn't.
Oh no.
Wait, let me.
Well, it never, Michael,
No.
it never separated.
It did not.
Look how far in the ground it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did not. Well, I heard it at the bottom. Did it separate on the ground with them?
Nope.
We need to see is.
It never separated here.
So you altimeter no longer beeping.
Uh oh. We've lost the altimeter. This reminds me of like 8th grade. This is the very first launch of 8th grade.
I just thought it didn't land on concrete.
Or
Yeah.
the people.
Whoa.
It didn't look like it went high enough. It had like huge.
That nose cone's done. That nose cone is done. Give me like a YouTube face.
We lost everything, kind of. Oh no, we have everything.
Wait.
It's not beeping. Probably not. I think it should be okay. I don't
Hey,
think
you have a
missing.
Yes.
Done video. Whatever.
Give me a YouTube face.
The light on?
No, it wasn't on when we found it.